How you doing, boys and girls? Welcome back to Yellow Bus Guy Garage. Got something new for you today. And what we have today is a 2018 Kawasaki Z900. Done in their beautiful red. This bike was purchased this spring. It's had a few things done to it. It's a 952 cc. 49. Just under 950 cubic inches, but they call it a 900. It's a water-cooled 4-cylinder. And she is beautiful. And this particular bike just returned from the Dragon. And we just gave it a bath. Did 888 miles. So you can tour on these, provided you have somebody with a gold wing that can take all your luggage with you. That's what happened to this guy. He had a buddy of his on a wing, and he got to use one of his saddlebags. Digital dash. It has a few aftermarket items on it. Has a Vagabond fender eliminator, tail tidy, and it's extremely clean. You see, there's no fasteners to see at all. Cleaned it up really nicely. The little half fender, that's factory. The seat cowl, that's a Kawasaki item that you can buy from Kawasaki. Matches the paint just right. It's got a few eBay items on it. Got the tank pad, these grips, and these mirrors came from eBay. And he, for the trip, he purchased this taller windscreen, and it's also an eBay find. And how much you say it was?
$28.
28 bucks. So you can't beat that. Got another carbon fiber Dragon here on the fender. But this is a sweet, sweet bike. Man, when you sit on it, it feels like it weighs nothing. Super slick transmission. It's far, far slicker than the ZRX. And a mechanical cable clutch. And it's extremely light. I mean, you can clutch with one finger, no problem. It still has the factory Sport Max tires on them. These have a little over 3,000 miles on them now, and they're wearing pretty well. The rear is starting to square off just a bit, but they do well in the rain. And this is the factory pipe, and it's turned this lovely gold from the heat. And then he put this Works USA slip-on on it, and it matches perfectly. It has just the right shade of gold in it, so it looks like it belongs on there. It doesn't look added on at all. And he put these OES sliders on it. But other than that, it's stock. The ECU is stock, and as of the purchase of this bike, there weren't many options as far as modifying the ECU or a jump box or something like that. And I know you guys are going to want to hear it. Look at the dash. Fuel injected, of course. All the lights are factory. Turn signals are factory. I believe the owner is going to leave the turn signals and tail light as is. Tail light's LED. And this still has the catalytic on it, so it's still reasonably quiet, but it sounds really nice. When you get the RPMs up, it talks to you. But this is a really sweet standard naked. We've got a little city light built in it, and I believe he's upgraded you upgraded the headlight bulbs, didn't you?
Yep.
What'd you put in there? Sylvanius?
Phillips.
Phillips. Okay. Well, there she is. Oh, and these the axle sliders are aftermarket too, aren't they? I believe those are just an eBay find. And let me see. And spools. He's added spools so that you can use the stand. Well, there she is, 2018. These come in all black with a green frame. Yeah, or this red and black. And the red and black, it really pops. It's probably not going to show on the video very well. The paint has a metal flake in it, and so does the red has a very slight flake to it, but it's very, very sharp looking. A lot of nice details. So there she is, ladies and gentlemen. It's the successor to this. Well, now they have the vintage 900, and now in this one it's like a more modern version. But it's a really nice machine if you're looking for something like this. Y'all, thanks for coming around. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk at you later.